was asked by SmartSaker to do a review on their little saw that they sent me. So,
what kind of saw?
Mini saw.
Mini chainsaw.
Chainsaw, yeah. I'm going to open it up so you can see what they sent me. And I can see what they sent me because I haven't even looked at it.
Just came today on Amazon.
Yep, and this is how it came. With some bubble stuff, and this is the box that it came in. And this is what it looks like. Mini electric. It's an electric chainsaw. So that works out perfect.
Battery operated.
Yeah, for me, because I'm not a gasoline person. Definitely. Well, we'll open it up and show you what it looks like if you open it up. This is how it's packed. It's packed quite nicely. Look at that. Whoa. And it's got an instruction book here. A mini chainsaw. That's what it's mini electric chainsaw. I'll have to look the book over, or Jim will look the book over. Somebody will look the book over.
They're all pretty basic.
Yep. And it's got a charger. Let's see how long the cord is, because that's one thing that I like. I like long cords on my things. Oh, this has got a nice long cord. Wow, this is really long. Real long cord. That's great.
And if you're in the United States, it has our style of cord or adapter.
This is the battery adapter. I don't know if it's charged.
That's a battery.
This is the battery, yes. It's a heavy, it's a nice weight to it. And this is the saw. Take it out of the thing. Oh, and there's some tools in here too. There's a wrench and a Phillips screwdriver and some little bit of oil to oil the chain, I'm sure. This is beautiful looking. Look at that chainsaw. It says it right there. And this is a guard. And I don't have the battery on, so, and the chain is already on it. I don't know, you might have to look to see if it needs adjusting or not.
Yeah, it's a little tight.
Okay, then we'll have to adjust it. It says, do not cut wood which is more than 4 inches, and do not overpass the machine with the cutting wood. When the machine is not in use for a long time, please fully charge it and then store it. So that's what it says to do on this little yellow tag here. It says caution over here. No use of minors. So I'm old enough to use it. Do not touch.
I hope so.
The guide plate with any limb. Well, if it's turned on, especially. It is forbidden to contact any part of the human body with the chain under the working state. Otherwise, it will be injured. Well, yes. It's
That's
another
common
warning,
sense.
caution. Yes. To make sure, see if it's, I'll snap it on. I don't even know if I can snap it on. I don't know if it's charged or not.
And they slide in.
Oops.
Slides in from the
Wrong
other way.
way.
There you go.
I gotta put it the right direction. Let's see.
Lithiums almost always are charged, but not necessarily. It should just slide and snap right in.
Well, let's hope so, because I'm not
It's
very
gotta be.
strong.
It's gotta
there.
slide in straight.
Yep, it did slide.
Push.
Slide.
There
there
you go.
It goes in pretty good. I will have to, and then I guess it's got a thumb thing over here, so you have to press the thumb thing first. Whoa!
It works.
And then the trigger. Because if you just push it won't push the trigger if you don't push the thumb thing. Woo! We're gonna go out and give this a try. I'm gonna cut the hole for the chicken house.
For the
You better
chicken
I'll
bathhouse.
take this off though, so you can check the battery and oil the chain for me. Show me that. Oh, how do you get this off?
Push it on the blue and pull.
Oh, there. Oh, I guess I did it. Wow. I've never touched a power saw and a power tool. Actually, I never touched the power tools. Emily's used one before me, and so has Jessica. I have never done it. Well, I like that this has, whoa. I like that this has a charge thing for, plug it in here and then plug it in, and
That's probably a charge
it will
indicator,
show whether
right?
you're charging or not.
Yep.
Beautiful. Okay. Well, I'll let you check the chain. How's the chain supposed to be? It's supposed to be a little bit loose.
Yeah, it should have a little bit of looseness to it. And there's a screw here in the back to make it tighter or looser. That's where your Phillips screwdriver comes in.
Okay.
That's about what I run my electric or my gas chainsaws. And just tighten it back down. I'm not sure.
How the oil goes in?
I think you just
Let me see.
put
Look
the
at
oil
book.
on the
We'll
chain.
look at the book. You better look at the book and make sure. Instructions.
Lubrication. Always be sure tool switched off. Battery charge cartridge is removed. Always use vegetable oil when pruning fruit trees. Mineral oil may harm trees. Lubricate the whole chainsaw evenly before each use. Also lubricate it whenever replacing a fully discharged battery with a charged one.
Okay.
So I guess you just kind of drizzle the oil
Along the chain.
the chain.
You want to put it over the box in case it drips. The other box, the big box.
Yes.
So in case.
Gas chainsaws have a automatic lubrication, which makes sense, I guess, because this you're not going out for an hour at a time cutting and cutting and cutting. You're just doing a little bit here and there.
That's probably good. Is it got all the way around?
I think that's all the way around.
Okay. Now I'm going to go outside and give it a try. Oh yeah, I need the battery. You want to put the battery in for me? Helps when you've got a helper. You put that in so easy. Am I going to be able to reach?
I think so. You probably do like I did. Just kind of
Scooch in.
lay inside here like this.
Okay, we'll give it a try. Here we go.
Just follow the line. Either whichever one you want to start with.
I'll start on this line. There.
Get the side so I can see.
Oh, wait, I gotta push the button on the side. Oh, that makes it difficult. I'm gonna have to use two hands.
You gotta try to hold like that. Start it off the wood.
Oh, so it.
It's working.
Yeah, it's working. Wow,
Yeah, you're
this is
cutting all the way
scary.
through.
It's scary for me. I want you to do it. This is pretty nifty, though. That's the first time I've run a power thing. You can try it now if you like, and you see how it works.
little bit it does. Doesn't cut as clean as my saber saw or my skill saw, but it does a good job.
That's a good job. That's
Yep.
good.
For what it's doing, it does good.
We should probably cut a branch with it now.
Probably could.
One of those little weeds, well, from my bush that's supposed to be trimmed. It's got, that's too little.
Yeah, that's too little.
Too little stuff.
I know, just a branch.
Oh, okay.
As you see,
Wow.
the flowering crab's got a couple of branches that
Like,
are...
I'm not going to be able to reach them, are you?
I know. You can't. I can. That's
Yes.
way I thought. But it's a branch.
Yes.
So
it
we'll
is.
show you how it works when you're, if you want to prune a tree.
prune your trees.
So we'll work on this one right here.
Okay. Timber.
There's the branch.
Yep. That's a pretty good sized branch. Let me just cut a piece off that branch.
I was gonna
Just
say.
to show that I can cut the branch too. Just I couldn't cut the branch if it's way up high. I gotta use 2 hands. I can't do it. Ooh. That really cuts nice.
Yes, it does. It does do a nice job.
And that's a pretty good sized branch. Look at that. That's
Yep.
pretty thick.
About 1.5 inches in diameter.
It's pretty big. Okay, we're
Very
good.
good.
Very good. My thoughts on the chainsaw? I think it's a nice little chainsaw. And Jim thinks it's a great little tool to have. And he does a lot of sawing, and he says this thing has a lot of power. So thank you very much for the little mini saw.